most entrepreneurs get it wrong. They commit to a company before they have a product that works. That's a huge mistake. The data on the world's best companies reveals a shocking truth. A massive percentage of them were not started by people who decided to be founders first. Instead, they started with a problem they cared about. They worked on a solution. They built something people actually wanted. Only after it was clearly working, only after they had real traction, did they commit to turning it into a full company. Don't start a company, start a project. Obsess over making it work. Let the market tell you when it's time to scale. The best founders don't chase the title, they chase the solution. And the company follows the success. If you're forcing a business before you have proof, you're building on sand. Build the thing first, prove it works. Then, and only then, build the empire around it. Want to know the biggest mistake 99% of startups make? Subscribe for more. Drop a comment below with your biggest business question and smash that like button if this changed your perspective.